are fun to learn. They help you read better. It's your turn. Let's learn, move, and have some fun. Join in now, everyone. Now let's say these words and clap our hands. The of and a to in is you. That a. Clap your hands. Clap your hand. Now let's say these words and stomp our feet. Was for on are as with they I at these. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Now let's say these words and do jumping jacks. This have from or one had by words but not jumping jacks. Jumping jacks. Now let's say these words and you can do your dance. What all were we when your can said they're used? Do your dance. Do your dance. So clap your hands and stomp your feet. Jumping jacks and dancing to the beat. With sight words we're on our way. Learning is fun, hip hip hooray.
Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.